In this video, I want to show you how to find the Wi-Fi password of your HP SmartTank 5103. To do that, we first need to enable Wi-Fi Direct. So let's go on the control panel right over here. Take a look at the display. If on the display you don't see the Wi-Fi Direct icon, which is a smartphone and a printer together, usually the icon appears on the top left corner. We need to turn this feature on. You're going to locate the Wi-Fi button and you're going to tap on it once. If the icon over here doesn't appear like it did on my printer, tap on the Wi-Fi button again. But as you see, this is how the Wi-Fi Direct icon looks. So once you see it, it means that it's turned on. Next, make sure that you have some paper inserted on your in your printer. And then on the control panel, we're going to press once on the I button. It will print the password of the Wi-Fi Direct. Okay, great. Take the sheet of paper. You see, this is the Wi-Fi Direct logo. If you go under, you're going to see Wi-Fi Direct name with the name of the printer and Wi-Fi Direct password with a number. This number is your password. Every printer has a different password, so there's no point of copying the one that you see on your screen right now. Now, there's two things that you need to know. If you simply want to take your phone or maybe even your computer, connect to the Wi-Fi Direct network of your printer, and you simply want to print, you don't need to download any apps. If you also want to use the scanner of your printer and get the results on your phone, Android or iPhone, you will need the HP app. So first, let me show you how to print without the app, and then I'll show you how to scan using the app that you need to download at this point if, again, you intend to scan. Over here on my iPhone, just to show you, it's this one over here, HP app. You need to go on the Wi-Fi settings of your iPhone, Android, Mac, or PC, no matter which device you have. And then over here, your phone will scan for all the available networks, and one of them should be your HP printer. This is mine, Direct SmartTank. And now the password, well, it's the one that was right over here, 07186, whatever. Let me type it here. Then press to connect. Okay, it's currently connecting. Perfect, I got a check mark. The phone is now connected to the printer. Open any documents, pictures or PDF document, anything that you wish to print. Here I have opened a PDF document. On iPhone, you need to search for this icon. It's a square with an arrow pointing up. Maybe it's located on the bottom of the screen, maybe it's located on the top. You can also open a picture, or even when you browse the web, you should see this icon appearing so you can print the web page if this is what you want. On an Android smartphone, you need to tap on the three dots on the top right corner, and then you're going to get the print option. So let me tap over here, and now on the iPhone you should see print in these options over here or down below. And once I tap on print, I will get this screen where I will tap on printer, select the HP SmartTank. You're going to have a few options that you can change, including the number of copies, print in color or black and white, the paper size that you have input in your HP printer, and over here you have media and quality. If you're going to print pictures, I suggest you go in print quality and you select best. If you're just printing text, like I will do in just a few seconds, you can select normal. This will do a pretty okay job. At the end, press the blue button to start. And here we go, we got our page printed, just like that. Now, how do you scan? As I said, you need the HP app to do this. So go ahead, open the HP app. Once you open it for the first time, you'll need to add the printer to the app. So click on Add Device. Then select Choose an Available Printer. It will be right over here. Tap on it and it will be added to the app. Tap on the printer itself, go down and choose Scan. Now it's time to insert the paper on the scanner. So let me just show you how it's done. Open the lid. You're going to place your document facing down with the top part of your document towards the left side. Now we need to align the top left corner of this scanner with the top left corner of the page. So make sure both are touching over here. Close the scan lid. On the HP app, if you tap on the top, you're going to have a few options you can modify. So the quality of the scan, if you want in color or black and white. And once you're ready, click on the blue scan button. Usually it takes around 12 seconds to get the result. So right now it's appearing, but it will not be saved. I'll show you how what you need to do to save it. Okay, great. You'll need first of all to move the edges of the scan. As you see, I can move the edges in case you're not happy, or you can press on full and the whole thing will be saved. Now press next. And down below, you're going to have print preview, which means that you will print whatever got scanned. But if you want to save it on your phone or share it, you're going to have share saved over here. On Android, it will be two different buttons, one for share, one for save. If I tap on it, I'll be able to give this scan a new name, so something that is more relatable, school project, whatever, doesn't matter. And down below, you can choose what kind of file you want to save, a JPEG, a PDF, PNG, TIFF, stuff like that. At the end, press continue. And on iPhone, you'll be able on the top over here to share it with your favorite contacts. Over here, share it on your favorite apps. And have more options down below, including to save it on the memory of your iPhone if you press Save to Files. So this is about it. If you liked my video, leave a like, but don't forget to comment down below. Even if you dislike it, I want to know what can I improve. Type a comment so I can read it and get better. Have a beautiful day.